Welcome to Puerto de Andratx, one of Mallorca's most exclusive and beautiful coastal areas. Today, we're exploring a modern villa that perfectly combines clean design, comfort, and the relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle. It's the kind of home that feels solid, stylish, and easy to live in, ideal for anyone who loves quality and the sea. This impressive villa sits in an elevated position, offering great privacy and open views. It features 6 bedrooms with bathrooms, a large open living space, and a fantastic outdoor area with pool and terraces. Built with high quality materials and smart design, this home offers both elegance and functionality. Every part of the property, inside and out, is designed for comfort, style, and easy everyday living. As soon as you step inside, you feel the space and light. The main living area is bright and open, with large windows that let the sun shine in and connect directly to the outdoor terrace. The layout flows naturally between the lounge, dining, and kitchen areas. Perfect for hosting friends or enjoying a quiet evening at home. The kitchen is modern, practical, and fully equipped. With top appliances, it's the kind of space that looks great and works perfectly for daily life. The villa offers 6 comfortable bedrooms, each with their own bathrooms, and the master suite is generous and bright with direct access to the terrace and views over the landscape. It has a large bathroom and built-in wardrobes, everything you'd expect for a home of this standard. The other bedrooms are just as inviting, modern, cozy, and ideal for family or guests. The outdoor space is where this property really stands out. A large terrace extends along the front of the villa with multiple areas for dining, sunbathing, and relaxing. The pool is perfectly positioned to enjoy the sun throughout the day, and the surrounding greenery adds that sense of privacy and calm. In the evening, the whole area transforms with soft lighting, sea air, and the kind of peace you only find here in Andratx. The villa is built to the highest standard and with modern technology. You'll find underfloor heating, air conditioning, and smart home systems that make it easy to manage lighting, temperature, and security. There's a private garage, plenty of storage, and strong insulation. So the home stays cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Everything has been designed to make daily living simple, efficient, and comfortable. Puerto de Andratx is one of Mallorca's most prestigious areas. A beautiful natural harbour surrounded by luxurious homes, boutique shops, and great restaurants. From here, you're just minutes from the marina, golf courses and scenic walking trails. It's peaceful, private, yet only about 30 minutes from Palma and the international airport. This is a location that combines convenience, quality and the best of island life. If you'd like more information or to see it in person, contact us at First Mallorca.